Hi friends, myself Dr. Vinesh Vijayan. Today we are here with Kishore, who was one of the most influential person in the forex industry a couple of years ago, but recently entered into the blockchain space, and there also he is rocking like anything, and with an amazing project which he is come very recently. And today we are here to discuss about that project. Welcome, Kishore.
Vinesh, my pleasure to be here.
Yes,
Thank
it
you.
is our pleasure to have you here with Cryptonomics. Would like to, yesterday I heard about your project called Future One Exchange, which
Right.
you are coming up, and it is like a lot of innovative features which you have
Yeah.
inbuilt in that exchange,
Yes.
especially from hacking attacks and to have the tracking of the address of the exchange or the honor risk factor,
Right.
and many stuff. So can you just give a brief to our audience about your exchange, what all are the, how this exchange is different from thousands of other exchanges in the market?
Okay, so three things. One is we are licensed and regulated, which is very important. Going into 2020, all exchanges which are licensed and regulated are the ones which are going to be able to continue the business. So we already got our license from Estonia, which is in Europe.
Okay.
Second is our exchange is an auction marketplace.
Okay.
So to give an example is most exchanges are providing practically everything, right? So we're talking of custody, buying and selling, OTC, derivatives, the works. So I would call them as the Amazon.
Yes.
What we are doing is we are trying to solve a pain point, and the pain point is a lot of token holders are stuck with their tokens, right? And so we have come up with something called as the auction marketplace. So we are building the eBay
Okay.
of crypto.
Okay.
So you can come and bid and offer at your own terms, at your own price. And the third thing that we're doing, which you rightly mentioned, is we are integrated with Osprey so that every Bitcoin or every coin that comes to our marketplace or exchange, we know the source, so that we can check whether it's from the dark web or it's for illicit purposes.
Okay.
So that to ensure that we give our investors the safe of mind that they are working with a very legit exchange.
That's awesome. Okay, cool. Then talking about this exchange, is it a live project or you are going to come up in the future?
Good question. So we are already live with crypto to crypto.
Okay.
The auction marketplace is going to go live on 1st of Jan 2020.
Okay.
So we're already spent about 9 months now building it.
Okay.
It's going to be on the Ethereum marketplace.
Okay.
So it's going to be on escrow smart contract. So to make it very simple, now when you buy or sell cryptos, you're buying and selling from the exchange. Going forward, that won't happen with us. You'll be buying and selling with the other users,
Peer to peer.
peer-to-peer.
Okay.
And the fiat will be done off the platform. So you will be transferring your fiat to the buyer or seller directly to his or her bank account.
Okay.
The crypto will be escrowed on smart contract.
So how is the exchange going to benefit out of that? You will.
We are a marketplace. So if you buy and sell, you have to come on our exchange because the bid and the offer will be on the exchange.
Like something like localbitcoin.com, it will be working like.
Local Bitcoin is peer-to-peer but centralized.
Yeah.
We are doing on the Ethereum smart contract, which makes it,
Decentralized.
you could say, trustless.
Okay.
So everything is on smart contract. You don't have to worry that your coins will get hacked, which is what is happening very
most of-
recently.
yeah.
You know, 7 exchanges got hacked.
Yeah. And yesterday when you were on stage, you were mentioning one more point which I liked really very much, is that like most of the people who is holding Bitcoin or Ethereum, if they want to buy or sell, they can find people who want to sell. But when talking about all the ICOs and the tokens, ERC20s and other which they are holding it from long time,
Yep.
if they want to buy in a big quantity or sell in a big quantity, and they might be listed in a couple of exchanges, but their trade volume will not be enough to liquidate them. So, but you made some solution for that as well, right?
Yes. So let's put it this way. I mean, today we are in this lovely hotel, which is the Intercontinental, right?
Yes.
And I can always come here to a coffee shop and have coffee,
Yes.
right? But we are building the Starbucks. So when you think of Starbucks, you think of coffee, right? A lot of exchanges are like a hotel. You go in, there's drinks, there's food, there are banquet rooms, there's rooms to stay in, but we don't want to get into that space. We want to be the Starbucks. So we want to be very focused. When the person comes to our exchange, he has an absolute clear objective in mind. He wants to either sell his tokens through an auction medium, or he wants to buy them again through an auction medium. Why? Because he wants a big block of it.
Yes.
So what we are trying to do is, we are, like I mentioned, we are building the eBay for the crypto market.
But how the other users who is holding that tokens will be aware about this auction which they have put? They will get a notification to those people?
Obviously. So we've been doing this on the OTC so far. Now we are moving it onto a online kind of a platform.
Okay.
So we'll start off with web-based, and then hopefully in the second quarter of next year, we will be doing it on mobile as well.
Superb. So really excited to see innovative ideas coming up from people like you.
Thank you very much.
And you are doing things which is beneficial for the mass community.
Yes.
And
We were very happy to win the Mass Adoption Award in Malta because of this.
Oh, that's great.
Because we are solving a big pain point of the mass.
Yes, yes, indeed. So, wish you all the best for your project.
Thank you once again.
Thanks a lot for your time. Any message for the audience which you would like to give?
In times where the markets are very volatile, there are different ways to, I would say, get into the crypto space. One easy way, I would say, is to hodl, which is buy now, because it's relatively cheap compared to where Bitcoin was a year back, as much as 20,000. Now it's down to 7,000. In terms of those who are traders, there are some good arbitrage opportunities out there, which you could do. There are a few derivative platforms which have come up. For those of you who are not interested in trading, you can always give your coins to platforms which are willing to give you an interest. So, or you can even do staking. Future One is also going to be getting into derivative and crypto lending in the first quarter of next year. So all this opportunities which I just shared with you will be also available with us.
Superb. Wish you all the best.
Thank you very
Once
much.
again, thanks a lot, and it is our pleasure to have you here with Cryptonomics.
Thank you once again.